Understanding deadlift form, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the meaning of the phrases deadlift and deadlift form. These terms are often used in fitness and exercise contexts, and understanding them can be really helpful, especially if you're interested in physical fitness or gym-related activities. Let's get started. The deadlift is a strength exercise that involves lifting a weighted barbell or dumbbells from the ground to the level of the hips and then lowering it back to the ground. It's known for being a powerful workout for multiple muscle groups, including the back, legs, and core. When we talk about deadlift form, we are referring to the proper technique or way of performing the deadlift exercise. Good form is crucial for several reasons. Safety. Correct form prevents injuries. Effectiveness. Proper technique ensures you are targeting the right muscles. Efficiency. Good form helps in performing the exercise more efficiently, making your workout more productive. 1. Starting position. Feet should be hip-width apart, with the barbell over your feet. 2. Grip. Hands should be just outside your legs, gripping the bar firmly. 3. Back position. Keep your back straight, not rounded, to protect your spine. 4. Lifting phase. Push through your heels, keep the bar close to your body, and lift with your legs and hips. 5. Descending phase. Lower the bar by bending at the hips and then the knees, keeping your back straight. Rounded back. This can lead to serious back injuries. Jerking the bar. Lift smoothly to maintain control and prevent muscle strain. Locking knees early. This puts unnecessary strain on your back. I hope this video helps you understand what deadlift form means and why it's important, especially if you're involved in fitness activities. Remember, practicing good form is key to a safe and effective workout. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.